Well, we got a trailer connected that can only mean one thing. One of the cars is leaving today, and that's the BRZ, baby. For those that didn't see last week's video, this motor that we built about 4 years ago finally kicked the bucket. It's making a crazy knock. So today we're gonna go drop it off at my good friend Bill, Delicious Tuning. There is a nearby shop right on the other side of the wall from him that has done tons and tons and tons of Subarus. And Bill was like, I 100% recommend going to him. He's gonna actually be pulling the motor and putting the new one in for us because we're gonna have our hands really tied in the next few weeks with not only the 350Z, but also the C8. Later in the video, we're gonna dive into what motor we're gonna be putting in the BRZ and how we're gonna go about doing it. So you're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned for that. But first things first, we have to put this in the trailer and start it one last time. It scares me to start this thing again. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Mickey's getting a good laugh out of that. Mickey's loving that. Oh, so bad. I'm laughing because I have no other way to show my pain.
Hey, them legs are looking a little thin there, bud.
No, they're f***ing not. You're just saying that because the camera.
No? Time to get back on the ice, bud.
So bad.
Oh, she's noisy, dud.
New supercharger in there?
Yeah, you like that noise?
It's good, dude. It's that new power adder mod.
God. It smells really good too.
Yeah, sounds like you threw a fucking bunch of stones in there.
Yeah, eat it up,
That's what my BRZ sounded like, and then it exploded.
Yeah, it exited stage, right?
It exploded.
Yeah, that's why every time I drive it, I'm scared. I'm gonna like every second it keeps going. I'm losing my time.
Good luck.
Good luck.
It just needs to be on for like.
Is my job done here, bro?
Your job's done.
Alright, we'll see you next time.
Hey, your leg's looking small, bud. Why don't you get back on the ice?
Look at those fuckers, dude.
Wow.
It looks like you're riding a chicken over here.
The special guest of the day is
What?
Sabrina.
There I am. What am I of the day?
You're supposed to be in bed. What are you doing out of bed?
Oh, I'm just dropping off my BRZ really quick.
Really, what motor are we gonna put in it?
We're gonna put a,
Yeah.
we're gonna put a super fast one.
Okay.
2JZ, a 1JZ, an FD motor, a rotary,
These are all great guesses, but no.
Those are the only types of motors I know.
Okay.
Aside from my Matrix motor, but I don't remember what that one was called.
All right, we're gonna put a Matrix motor in it. Let's go. You like that?
It's not okay. That doesn't sound very good.
It sounds so good.
That's not okay.
Okay, so we just got two builds. We're gonna be doing a completely new build here, and I was just talking with Bill inside. I said, Bill, I want to do something a little special with this car to make it a little unique. As you guys know, we're gonna stick with the FA20, but we're gonna make it, at least try to make it a little more stout, maybe give it a little bit bigger displacement.
Maybe like a 2.1 to 2.2 liter stroker. Still keep it the same bore, but just put a bigger crank in it. Upgrade the rods, pistons. Head-wise though, see if we can do maybe slightly bigger cams. See if we can rev it maybe a little bit higher. Probably can't do a whole lot, we can do a little bit with that. There's some stuff we can do. Let's see if we can change it a little bit.
So I'm gonna put this inside the garage. We're not gonna see this thing for a pretty long time. 2 months?
Quicker than that.
2 years? I would say like 1 to 2 months or something.
Yeah, it'll be near the end of the year, I'd say.
Yeah. End of the year? It's okay. There's less stuff in my shop. All right. Bye. We're not gonna see that car for quite a while, and I'm okay with that. It's gonna go in for a little upgrade. Gotta get a whole new block ordered. Gonna have to order new pistons, new rods, and all that stuff takes time, unfortunately, which is why I don't want it sitting on the rack at the shop for 2 months.
I can't order.
Feels like I just dropped a kid off at daycare, but yet we're really not gonna see the kid for a few months.
A few months?
Yeah.
That's how long it's gonna take?
Well, to order all new, brand new parts and machining
that's not
some
just a
stuff.
Kid, that's your baby.
Yeah, it's
That's your OG baby.
yeah, it's okay. Can't wait to put that matrix motor in. You know what I'm saying?
No, we're doing a matrix build with the rotary, with a 2JZ. Everyone tell TJ below that it'll fit because he doesn't believe that it'll fit.
I don't. Okay.
He's like, it wouldn't fit into Matrix. And I'm like, yes, it would. The Matrix can handle anything. That 2021 GR Yaris, though, we'll do a build on that.
Sabrina's in for her afternoon nap. Hey, shouldn't you be sleeping?
Oh, Kevin just... You guys, it wasn't me tonight. It wasn't me tonight. It wasn't me tonight. Please tell me you caught that on camera.
I did.
Hey, I will admit that was nothing like my fart the other night. But
Sabrina farts a lot.
No, I
You
do-
guys don't know. You guys don't know, but Sabrina.
TJ somehow... Yeah, what do you mean they don't know? TJ
Sabrina, it was
somehow-
me and you out here. She's like, I gotta really fart.
What?
She goes, I'm like, oh.
Kevin, it did not sound...
Is this? Wait, did she
No.
actually soil herself?
I didn't soil my... Every
was
vlog
verbatim.
it turns into me farting.
Verbatim.
Kevin,
Huh?
I'm gonna out Kevin right now because I will admit I said I got a fart and then I did it and I go I did it and Kevin goes, oh, I didn't even hear it. I was like, thank you. So
I was
you.
being nice. I was being nice.
Okay, so it was a little squirter, but it wasn't anything like the other night.
Okay. Don't ever describe it as a little squirter.
It's not the description that you want.
TJ, don't put that in the vlog.
Not a fart.
It's already
That's
made
another
it.
classification. That's
Wow.
a shark.
It's already made it.
TJ,
Wow.
I'm glad that the end of your vlogs have become the humiliation of my purpose in life.
You're the one who literally described your fart as a little squirt.
I meant like a little like it just like squirt it out.
I mean, a little tutor? No, squirter. Jesus.
Guys, I'd like to document.
No.
I was gonna document that we're using the balcony and we never
section.
used the balcony.
The comment section's about to be X-rated with that comment, so you better not put that in. They're gonna be like, oh, Sabrina's a little squirter, and I'm never gonna live that down, so don't put that in. I'm serious.
Hey, man.
You can make that the bloopers if you want, but don't put it in the vlog.
Jesus.
Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video.
Peace
I will
out.
see you tomorrow. I've taken a couple days off on
Do you
the.
speak English?
I've taken a few days off for the daily
Watch, don't
vlogs.
cut that out because it will make him look bad, but he'll leave my fart ass in. Calling it a little squirter. You're so...
Oh, yeah. Okay, let me end it. Here you go. Wait, no. Do your thing. Say what you gotta say.
Kevin, you do it.
Okay.
Let Kevin do it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Everyone who's in Vegas, we're gonna be coming out to Las Vegas this upcoming weekend for Supers in Vegas, assuming I can get my super fixed. More on that tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Peace out. And when do I keep moving forward? Oh, that was it?
Did it block it?
No.
Damn it.